What's going on, everyone? Got a new set of organizers from Harbor Freight, the U.S. General line, the brand new peg type socket trays. I got the standard and metric, and I also have the wire rack. So we'll start out with this one here. Try to do this one-handed. I don't know how they open this one. Okay, here we go. Okay, there we go. Pretty much straightforward. Really nice, no exposed metal or anything like that. Everything's completely covered. Be perfect just to put inside. And while I was at Harbor Freight, I was able to put this inside of one of the drawers, the smaller drawers on the 72-inch box like mine, which I was hoping it would fit in one of those smaller drawers, and it does fit perfectly fine, even with inside of the box. Inside, I'll open up the metric. Okay, they're all individually packaged, I guess. Okay, that's it. Nothing else in the box. I'll set that over there for now. Okay, so they're all individually wrapped. Okay, that one's from 4.5 to 15. We got 10, 24, 25, and 27. And then this is 6 all the way to 20. The paint looks perfect. You can see the numbers are really bright and legible. That's perfect. I have the other Harbor Freight socket organizers, and I was hoping to just switch these out. I think I like the peg style. I just couldn't justify spending like $50 on some socket organizers, so these are going to be a really good fit in my lock. Stop these over here for now. Open up. Again, all of these are individually packaged. First impressions look great. No, again, just like the other one, so I'm gonna go ahead and open these up. So again, everything is really nice and legible, even down to these smaller 3/16s, and they even have some adapter holders. And then again, 1/4 to 1 inch, 3/8 to 1 1/4. So overall, I mean, you got 20 on each of these and 10 on the wire rack. Again, with the 20% off, you're looking $50 for all this. I was able to actually pick up these sets. I got an inline spark tester and a feeler gauge, all for $59 with the 20% off. So it's a really great buy. So I can't wait to switch these out in the morning and add that to my video so you guys can see what they look like with sockets on them and everything. Okay, really quick, I guess I misspoken. These aren't little extension holders or adapters. They're actually, this one is the 4mm, and these go all the way down to, looks like, I can't see in the camera there, 1/8 and 5/32.